Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you step by step how to buy BNB Tiger Inu. Okay, so this is a new coin that is already 1 year old with powerful community. All right, so I want you to know that anything I'm saying in this video is not a financial advice. Okay, this is just a tutorial video to show you what you maybe want to do if you want to do it. If you want a financial advice, make sure you look for a professional financial advisor, right? So make sure you watch this video to the end because I'll be sharing with you the best entry point you should use before buying BNB Tiger Inu. All right, so I already bought this coin when it's quite low, below 10 million market cap, but right now it's above 30 million market cap as of the time I'm doing this video, and it still has so much potential, and it's trending #1 on BSC trending channel on Telegram. Okay, so having said that, let's go into this video. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is to make sure you get the correct contract address. I already have all this coin in my Telegram, but I'm going to do it step by step so that you can see how it is being done. So the first thing, I'm going to go to Chrome and I will type BNB Tiger Inu. All right, so this is one of the ways you can use to get it, and you can get it on Coin Market Cap. So you can see it here. The first one right here, as you can see on the screen, is the one on Coin Market Cap, right? So I'm going to click on it. So this is the coin right here. So you will click on more statistics if you want to check about the coin, all right? But right now it has not been listed, so you cannot see the market cap. Okay, it cannot be listed. All you can just see is just the trading volume, which is quite high. All right, so I'm going to leave that, and you have to go down, look at where you get your contract address. So if you bought with KeyCard before, Digimon Rabbit before, so it's the same process, all right, because they are on BSC Smart Chain. So I'm going to copy it. So right now I have copied the contract address. So the next thing is just to add the token on my Trustwallet. So right here I'm going to add the token, all right. So click on add token, click on the plus sign, click on Ethereum chain, change it to Smart Chain. Okay, then click on paste. So once you've copied the contract address from CoinMarketCap, all right, you're going to click on paste. So this is it. It has 9 decimal BNB Tiger Inu. So you click on save. So this is it, because I've done some transaction on BNB Tiger Inu right here. You can see it. Okay. So right here, currently BNB Tiger Inu is on 33,000 market cap. All right, you can actually see that even in their Telegram platform. All right, so if you want to buy BNB Tiger Inu, all right, as of the time I'm doing this video, this 33,000 market cap is a good entry point. You can use it, but I would prefer you wait for it to go down to 30 million market cap. Check the Telegram group right here. You will see it's currently at 33,000 market cap. So which is what I was showing you right here. Okay, so what I was showing you right here, you can see it's 3341. So that is the current market cap. So if I want to buy right now, the slippage is quite high. So what I'm going to do next, you go to browser and go to Pancake Swap. You wait for it to load. So the next thing is to make sure you change this Ethereum sign here, change it to Smart Chain, click on it, change it to Smart Chain. All right, but once you've done that, if your wallet is not yet connected, connect your wallet, Trustwallet. So right now my wallet is connected. All right, my BNB is showing. So the next thing I'm going to do is to change this cake right here to BNB Tiger Inu. So what you need to do is just to click on this. All right, you wait for it to load. Because I've already if you bought Tiger Inu before, you will see it right here. But if you don't see it, just need to paste the contract address again. So I've copied it. I'll just click on paste. So this is it here, BNB Tiger Inu. And I'm going to import it. So this is it. I'm going to click on maximum. So if I want to buy on this 3,000 market cap, so this is maximum. So I'm getting just 32, right? The decimal is too much. So I'm just getting 32. So I'm going to, the sleep rate is 9 to 10%, but you just want to do it fast, just put 10%, all right? So 10%, don't put more than 10%, all right? That's the sleep rate. So once you've done that, you click on swap. So you will see right here, when I want to swap it, if the sleep rate is right, it's going to go. If you so, you can see it right here. 10% sleep rate will get me this amount of BNB I just put, all right? So this is how you should buy. I don't want to buy because I'm waiting for a better entry point. I want something around 30 million market cap or below that before I enter, right? So what you need to do is to buy your BNB and keep it first, all right? So once you've keep your BNB, then you wait for the best entry point before you enter, all right? So if you want to buy BNB Tiger Inu, you need BNB. If you don't have BNB, I sell BNB. Click on the link in the description of this video and to lead you to my WhatsApp. You are going to see the contract address and every other detail you need, all right? So this coin has so much potential from the little research I have done. It's community driven. It has been renounced. The developer cannot do anything about the coin. Everything about this coin depends on the community. So if you've watched the video I did before on what you should check out before buying any coin, this is a very good token. But this is not a financial advice because it's your money. If you want to spend your money, you have to spend it the way you want, not based on what I've said. You can still do your own research, but I myself am holding quite a whole number of BNB Tiger Inu. All right. So in another video, I'll still be showing you what you should check out before you buy. All right. For those who want to see that video, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on all your notifications so that you don't miss that video when it drops on this channel. So until then, see you next time. Bye bye.